Hi kids, hi Kopi, it's Mommy. Today we're going to do some more cooking. Today we're going to make something really fun that we can cook and play with. It's building block Jello. It's a rescue, build, and eat kit. So if you can see, we're going to make these little blocks for green lime Jello and red strawberry Jello. And then we could build them into a car or into a tower that we eat. That'll be fun. So here's what we have. We have 2 boxes of Jello. We have the green edible grass Jello, lime green, and we're going to be pouring it into these little block molds so that they can get cold and be ready to eat in a couple hours. We also have strawberry red bricks. So guess what we're going to do first? We're going to check our water because we have to boil some water. Oh look, the water is almost boiling. You know it's boiling when you see bubbles coming up to the top. Can you see bubbles coming to the top? I can see little bubbles. Okay, while that's getting ready, let's pour the Jello into our container. Pour it into our container, and then we will mix it with the hot water. Which one should we do first? Green or red? Well, I'm wearing green, so let's start with green. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to take this, and we're going to pour it in here, like that. And now we're going to check our water. All right, let's check the water. Is it boiling? Oh, it looks like it's boiling. Okay, so now I'm going to get a safety mitt because we always want to be safe. Here are the safety mitts. I'm going to go with green because I'm wearing green. I'm going to take the water. You always want to be careful who's around you when you're picking up hot water. And we're going to pour it in here so we can mix it up. Oh, look at that. All right, now I'm going to set this down and we're going to start stirring. Oops, first I have to turn off the stovetop. Actually, I have another water that I'm going to boil for the next one. Okay, and I already prepared this. See, here's the water, and I get to pour it in here to boil for the next one, for the red one. All right, so now that's going to sit here and boil, and while that's boiling, we can stir. All right, so now let's stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. All right, this goes pretty quick. So once this is nice and stirred, the hot water makes it stir really fast. Now we can pour it into the mold. These are called molds. The reason it's called a mold is because it's something that is used to shape something or mold it. Mold is a word for shaping. All right, so let's pour this. Let's see if you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna pour a little bit into each one. Okay. These are round green bricks. These are square bricks. It's another square brick. All right, and another square brick. And another, actually, that was a rectangle brick. This is a square brick. Okay, we're almost done. We have a little bit more just to finish up in here. Okay, all done with that. All right, now we're gonna go see what the water's doing and see if we're ready to make the red bricks.